How to download data from Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your data from your Instagram. So first thing, simply head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account, and simply click on this bottom right corner to head over to your profile section, and just click on this hamburger icon over here at the top right corner. And once you click on it, simply click on this account center option, and from over here scroll down, and once you're inside here, so what you can do is simply head over to your information and permission option and simply click on download information from over here, and just click on download or transfer information. And from here you can see how much information you want to download. So simply select on some of your information, because it will not include every single file information available in your account, which might save you a lot of data or a lot of time. So simply click on some of your information like this. So once you do that, simply select what activity you want to download. Simply click on any of the activity, for example like, and simply click on next and click on download to device. Simply click on create files. You can also change the media quality from here, and your information will be downloaded, and Instagram will send you some notification within some hour or minutes. It might depends upon the size of your file activity. So hope that is exactly how you can easily download your data from your Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.